Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to convert USD to INR on YT Studio very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the YT Studio. So after opening the YT Studio, here you can see the options of profile. So click on the profile. So after this click on setting. So when you will click on setting, here you can see the option of earn. So just click on currency. So when you will click on currency, so you can see now I selected USD. So now I want to change it into INR. So search here or find INR. So you can see this is INR option. So just click on INR. So you can see now currency is changed into INR. So guys, in this way you can change USD to INR on YT Studio on mobile. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.